Hi everyone, in this lecture we will talk about IDEO tag in HTML5. So before HTML5 there was no direct method to add IDEOs in HTML website. You need to use Adobe Flash in order to add IDEOs in your website, but now we have HTML5 and it provides us IDEO tag. With the help of this tag we can add IDEOs in our HTML5 website. So let's see how to add IDEOs. Just type here HTML5 and this will automatically create the basic HTML structure. And now we are going to make a mini music hub type of website. So first of all we will have a header, so just type here header, and inside this header just type here h1 heading and I'll say music hub. So this will be the website name. Let's refresh it, we got it. And beneath this h1 tag I'll have an h3 tag and I'll say royalty free music, so you just type it in h4 heading. And then beneath this header we will have navigation in our website, and just type your unordered list. And first of all let's type our list item, just type your anchor tag, and again our href hyper reference will be empty, and this will be my home. Let's copy this line, copy it, paste it right here and then here, and this will be library, this means music library. And then let's type here about, let's save it. We got our navigation, and beneath this navigation I'll have my IDEO tracks. So that will be our main part of this whole website, so just type here man tag. And now first of all I'll make my site more semantic and more meaningful, so just type here first of all this section tag, and inside this section tag just type here field set. And let's type here our legend track 1, and beneath this legend I'll have the heading of my first track, so just type here h4 heading and just right here. So we got track 1, then music track name, and beneath this we will have some more information. So instead of putting this heading like this, let's define it in header tag in order to make it more meaningful. So just cut it, cut and paste it right here. And inside our header we will have uh, information regarding the artist, so just type here h5 heading and I'll say, let's save it. So we got artist name. And now beneath this header I'll have another section, so just type your section. And first of all here I will have an image, and then in front of that image I'll have my IDEO track, so just type here img tag. And first of all we need to define a source, so just type here image.png. Let's save it. Oops, image is too big. So just type here width 50 and then height 50, and the alternative text for this will be something like IDEO image. Okay, let's save it. Okay, so we got our image, and beneath this image I'll have my IDEO track, so just type here IDEO. Okay, so this is our IDEO tag. And now first of all we need to define here our IDEO source. So there are two ways to define IDEO source. One is to type your IDEO source right here in front of this src attribute, and the second method is to explicitly define the source tag, and then inside that source tag just pass your IDEO file location in front of src attribute. So you can use both of these methods, but I recommend to use the source tag explicitly in order to make it more semantic. So just remove this src from here and just type here source tag, and now just type here src, which is the attribute of this source tag. And now let's type audio underscore track dot mp3. Oops, mp3. So here, as you can see, I have this audio underscore track dot mp3 file. Okay, so let's close it, let's save it, and we are unable to see it. And the reason is that here we need to type controls. Okay, so I want to see the controls of this audio track, and here we go, we got our audio track. So let's click on this button. We are able to hear the audio. And if you click on these options here, you can see you have a download button and then playback speed. And there are some other attributes as well, like if I want to play this audio automatically after loading the website, just type here autoplay. Let's save it. And now whenever you refresh this website, the browser will automatically play this audio track. And if you want to loop this audio, just type here LWP loop. So let's click on this part, let's run it. And yeah, the audio has started automatically because of this attribute. So this is how you can define everything. And to make it more meaningful, you can define another attribute in this source tag, and that is type. Okay, so with the help of type, you can tell the browser that which type of audio you are going to play now. So just type here audio and then put this slash and then the format of your audio, which is mp3 and also known as mpeg. Okay, let's save it. And now it's more meaningful to the browser. So this is how you can add this audio. And now, for example, if your browser is unable to load this audio, you can also print a message as well. So let's type here our message browser. So there is some issue with your browser, and you will see this message if your browser fails to load this audio. So let's save it. We have no issue with the audio. And then beneath this audios, this section, let's create the footer. So just type here FOOTR footer, and in this footer I'll have a short description. So first of all, let's define a heading. It will be h4 heading, and just type here description, so user can put tags right here as well, and just type your p tag, paragraph tag. Let's save it. And yeah, we got description and then short description here. And I hope that you have understood how to add audios in your HTML website. And now let's copy this section. Okay, let's copy it and paste it 2 more times. And yes, let's save. Just rename this legend to 2 and oops 3, and then this one to 2. Let's save it. Just let me remove this autoplay attribute. It is so annoying for now. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Let's save it back. And yeah, we got our navigation, our track 1, track 2, track 3. And now let's create here a footer of this whole website along with the newsletter input tag and a subscribe button. So just type here beneath this man tag FOOTR footer, and just type here input, and the type will be text obviously, and just type here placeholder text will be email here. Okay, and then I'll say input, and this will be PUTTON button, and the value will be value is equals to subscribe. Let's save it. we got our email and a subscribe button, and just put here HR tag, HR, let's save it. And yeah, we got a horizontal line, and then beneath these two input tags I'll have a copyright sign and then the further data. So just type here paragraph tag, and let's say ampersand, then copy, and just type here 2022, and then another ampersand, and just type here m dash. Okay, so m dash creates a little big dash, and then the website name is Music Hub. Let's save it, and we got our big dash, our copyright sign, and all other information. So this is how you can create a small Music Hub website in HTML5. And again, for the first time, this structure might be confusing to you, but don't worry, as you will follow the instruction, you will understand this whole structure automatically. And in the next lecture, we will talk about some more media tags, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.